Hi, I'm at TECHDAY 2023 and I'm at the booth Connectivity with Sébastien Fay from Let's Digital. Sébastien, so what is happening in this booth?
Thank you, Baija. So in this booth, we are talking about connected and automated mobility. It's quite a challenge in Europe, for deploying these new technologies. And what we are doing in this booth is basically to work on a technology. We are showcasing a technology to better anticipate what could happen tomorrow with connected and automated mobility solutions. So this is a project called COMBO, which is co-funded by the FNR, so the Fonds National de la Recherche, and CFL, one of the leading mobility operators in Luxembourg. And the objective of this project is basically to anticipate, to predict what could happen tomorrow with automated shuttles. So this is a technology that is currently being deployed by CFL in Luxembourg. And on our side, we are proposing a set of solutions to, better understand how these shuttles could work over the long run. And for that, we are synchronizing different simulation assets together with data collected from the reality. And this is exactly what we are showcasing there with robot dogs.
Okay, robot dogs.
Yes.
Oh, okay. What is the link between the dogs and the shuttle? Is that the dogs are the shuttles, right, in your demonstration?
Yes, more or less. I mean, the most important is that we need a physical device that generates data that is not too far from the shuttle, because of course we cannot go easily, in the street and start to collect data. We need authorizations, regulations. So we have started with robot dogs so that we can have LiDAR data, we can have different kind of data sets generated by these dogs that we could inject into our simulation environment.
Okay, I would like to see that.
Yes, sure. So for that, Johan is the best.
Thank you, Sébastien. Hi, Johan. So, what is happening here? What is happening with the dog?
So right, I will try to explain. So here we have the real world, okay, where the robot stands, and the simulation where the screen stands. So both worlds are connected, and we can synchronize both of them, please. So the shuttle, which is the robot, will recognize where the vehicles are, where the traffic is, and where the traffic light is showing. So it will react.
You mean the dog will automatically identify the streets, the lights, and everything, and if there is someone crossing the streets?
Yeah, it will synchronize in this case the traffic, which is the vehicles, and the traffic light that we have here. Okay, so if the traffic light is, for instance, green, it will go, and if it's red, it will stop.
Okay, but
the same way, if there is a car in front of it, it will stop, and it will keep the distance between the car in front of it.
Calculate the distance and stuff accordingly to the... Okay, that's fascinating. And is it fully automated?
For this question, Michael can answer.
Oh, hi, Michael. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi. So, is it fully automated?
Yes, it is. But, because of the regulation in European countries, we always need to have a driver inside the shuttle or controlling remotely the shuttle from, I don't know, a control center, let's say.
You mean a human?
A human, basically, yeah. And thanks to the improvement with connectivity, like 5G and everything like this, we can now even drive it from a simple tablet, being just connected. So that's the camera in front of the dog.
So you mean this is the eye of the dog?
That's the eye of the dog. And whatever I do here will affect the dog. That means that if I go forward, the dog will just move forward and I can totally control it.
Okay, that's fascinating. And what is the future of that kind of technology?
To answer this, I suggest you to go and ask Elijah.
Hi, Elijah.
Hi.
So what is the future for that kind of technology?
So besides this demonstration that showcases a real-time scenario, at least we are also working on optimization and prediction models, and this to measure and to anticipate the impact of the wide deployment of these shuttles in reality. So this optimization model involves multi-objective optimization, involving connectivity, automation, but also infrastructure investments. And this is so complex and cannot be done with basic simulators, as it involves different data coming from diverse sources and involves the prediction of systems that do not yet exist. So that's why we are using this simulation and this decision-making platform to develop on top of it a mobility digital twin that will be able to provide recommendations and guidelines to mobility operators and connectivity providers.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
From TECHDAY 2023, where List gives you a ride between the physical and the virtual worlds.